Hey guys, I'm Somil and you are watching Dokay. So in this video, I would be unboxing the new gaming beast by Asus, the ROG Phone 3. This is a very good gaming phone which is powered by Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is first of the segment. Also watch this video till the end because we are having a giveaway contest for this phone also. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So guys, this is the main Asus ROG phone. This is the reviewers unit. On front it mentions Republic of Gamers. This is a very fancy type of box. Now let us open this box. So till then let me tell you the main highlights of this. This is powered by Snapdragon 865 and it has a 144 Hz screen refresh rate. Now let us take the phone out. This is very hard and difficult to take it out. Now let us take it out. The first in hand feel of the phone is very good. At the back it has this curvy glass, and on the front it has some bezels also. At the back it has an aerodynamic cooler which is transparent and triple rear camera setup. Now let us see the logo, which is very fantastic and it also lights up. Now let us fire the phone. Till it's firing, let's see what we get in the accessory box. Now guys, let us see what we get in the accessory box. At the down of it we have a CPU fan cooler which cools the phone in no time. This is a very useful accessory to avoid overheating issues. At the side it has type C connector and a headphone jack. Now let us see what we get inside this. Inside it we have two things, a cover and a section. Now let us see what a cover is. This cover is very stylish with the ROG branding, and it has holes for the logo and the triple camera setup. Now let us see what we get in the section. Inside this we get the sim injector tool, which is a very fancy type of sim injector tool, and then we get some stickers which are very good. Now let us see what we have further in the box. And so inside this we have some rubber pads to cover the type C external ports. It would help the phone from being dust free. And then moving further, we have a headphone jack to type C connector, and then we have a C2C cable which is of a very good quality. Then we have the adapter which has an output of 30 watts, and it is a very hefty type of adapter. Now let us move on to the main phone. The main phone is very hefty and heavy because of its battery capacity. The theme is of the gaming centric side. The 144 Hz refresh rate also feels. We can adjust the refresh rate to 120, 90 and 60 Hz also. Now on the front of the device we have Corning Gorilla Glass 6. At the side we have aluminum frame, and the back we have Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Now let us see its physical preview. At the side it has air triggers which are also known as monster buttons, which would enhance the gameplay, and it is a very unfair advantage over other players. This is very handy and we can customize the buttons according to us. At the side we have volume rockers also. Now let us move on to the CPU cooler. It is a very useful accessory to avoid overheating of the phone because it is a gaming centric phone. It is a very important accessory. And also in the biometric section we have in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Now let us see the type C connector on the CPU cooler. Now let us take this cover on this phone. It looks blazingly very good because of this RGB logo, and then the fingerprint scanner also works blazingly fast because of the Snapdragon 865 Plus. On its back it has triple rear cameras, and we have dual LED flash, and then we also have the RGB logo which is very stylish, and then we have a transparent aerodynamic cooler also. Now let us see the logo, RGB logo lighting. We can set it up according to our convenience. We can configure the colors and other things. The 144 Hz display is of a very good quality, and the colors are also very vibrant, and also the battery capacity, that is 6000 mAh, would long for a very long time. And we can on the RGB coloring on the back RGB logo. It is a very good feature which we can handle, and it adds on to the display and the quality of the back side, and it makes it more beautiful and good looking. So this phone has very good features, and it is priced at 50,000 rupees.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I would also be announcing the OnePlus Nord winners of my previous giveaway. So let's see who is the winner. Now let us do a random and choose a random comment. Now let us click on choose. Now it's loading the random comment. Let's see who is the winner. So guys, the winner of the giveaway contest is Prateek Saraswat. Here is the winner. He lives in Delhi, India. So he would be given the phone in 4 to 5 days. So now let us talk about the Asus giveaway. This giveaway is similar to the Nord giveaway. You have to comment down below and tell us why do you need this phone, your opinions about the phone, and whom you are going to give it. You are keeping it by yourself or you are giving it to someone. So guys, spread all your love. The result of this would be announced on August 13.